Searching on Google and surfing the web in general is something most of you do every single day, and I will show you how to get paid doing so in this video through the use of 3 different platforms. And so, make sure you keep watching and stay with me so you don't miss out on any of them and so you know exactly what you need to do in order to get paid. Now, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so let's jump straight into this strategy, guys. The very first site I will be going over today is called cashkick.com. This site, unlike some other websites out there, will pay you through cash. No gift cards involved, as you can see. Cash is the greatest reward. We'll deposit cash into your account for all the fun things you're already doing online. Those activities include answering surveys, finding great deals, watching videos, and of course, surfing the web. Now, I highly recommend surfing the web and watching the videos because the surveys are just too boring for you to complete. Meanwhile, videos, for example, require literally zero attention and work from your side. Just hit that play button and let the video go on and you will still get paid nonetheless. Only if you really want that extra money should you go for the surveys. They generally aren't worth your time. You can see below here that it's easy as 1, 2, 3. You first find and complete your mission, whether you want to answer surveys, watch videos, or whatever. You then watch the earnings grow in your account. And finally, of course, you cash out. And something really worth mentioning about this is that you just need $5 in order to be able to withdraw your money. Many websites tend to put that minimum threshold at $10 or even more than that, and that is simply not the case here, which is awesome, of course. Anyways, something I would really advise you guys to check out are these testimonials below because they prove this site's legitimacy and show you that it's actually a genuine make-money online platform that will pay you instead of wasting your time. I, of course, won't go over all of them. Anyway, what you need to do on here is just come back up, enter in your email address, create a password, and click on Get Started Now to create your brand new account in a few seconds. The last thing worth noting here is that this website will indeed get you paid directly through PayPal, just like it says here. And I know that many of you watching love PayPal, so yes, it is indeed available for this platform. Anyways, that is the very first website in this video, as I said before. The second one here is called instagc.com. Insta stands for instantly and GC stands for gift cards. And so you can already tell with this site, unlike the previous one, will instantly pay you through various gift cards, as you can see. Join our fast-growing community and receive free gift cards instantly for your online activities. Now, what online activities we are talking in particular you can see right here. You can complete surveys, watch videos, shop online, and get discounts. And finally, surf the web, which is, in the end, what we are after. Out of all of these, I would, once again, highly recommend watching the videos and surfing the web because surveys are boring and painstakingly long and just aren't worth your time and effort. Only if you really want to maximize your earnings and earn as much as possible would you want to complete them. Now, something I really like about this site is the sheer amount of gift cards they have to offer, which, as you can see here, is over 300. By clicking on View Collection, you'll be able to see which ones in particular they have, but I won't go over it. What I instead want to show you is Payment Proof, which you can view yourselves by clicking on View Redemption Proof right here. This is simply put to remove doubt about this site, since nowadays so many websites are scams and won't really pay you, but not this one. As you can see, there are people getting paid in varying amounts of money every single day. And for those of you who may be wondering, this does include PayPal just like that previous platform, and I know many of you love it. So yes, PayPal is definitely available with InstaGC. Anyways, what you need to do when you come over on InstaGC is either create an account through the use of Facebook, Twitter, or Google, which is ultimately a faster way, Or you can just type in your username, password, and email address, and then click on Sign Up, which, as you can see, will get you 10 free points. The last but also highest paying platform of all of them is called askwonder.com. This site will literally pay you 15 to 20 times as much as the other ones, at the cost of complexity, of course, so it's a bit harder to earn money, but I highly recommend it if you want to make a bit more money online. The way this site works, however, is much different from the previous platforms, as is seen here. Great research delivered fast. So you won't be watching videos, completing surveys, or whatever. This site will instead get you paid for doing research for them. Basically, various companies, researchers, and so on pay this site to find answers to various questions for them and just do research in general. And then this website will pay the likes of you to do the actual research, and you will get paid very nicely for doing it. Now don't worry, you don't need any special knowledge or skills for this whatsoever. You will essentially be doing research through the use of Google, as simple as that. And this is, I think, a really nice, fun, and engaging way to get paid online. You will essentially be learning about various topics through that research, and you get paid for doing so. Both a unique and fun way to make money, in my opinion, and I prefer this site over the other two, definitely. Anyways, on their homepage, you can see they have some very big companies that prove that this site is indeed legit. The testimonials just below show that as well, and you can read them if you want to, of course. What you, however, need to do on here is come back up. And since we won't be paying anyone to do research for us, obviously, you don't want to click on Get Team Account or Try Wonder Now. Instead, just click on Become a Researcher, located in the upper right corner. On the next page, you'll see that you earn money using your brain. You can work wherever you want to, which is great, of course. And as I said before, you learn in the process. What you need to do on here is just enter in your first and last names, email address, your password. You then need to click the city you live in. Finally, click on I'm not a robot. Tick this box to agree to their terms, and just click on Start Application to create your brand new account and start making money with this website. Now, with all of that said, guys, I highly recommend you combine these three platforms. So don't just focus on Ask Wonder or Cash Kick or whatever, use all of them. You can, for example, use Ask Wonder when you have a bit more time on your hands, since it is a bit more complex. And when you either don't have the time on your hands or you just don't want to bother working, you can use the other two to get paid as well. Anyways, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.